welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Naz. I'm a health and nutrition coach, soon to be a nutritionist, and today's video is a review on one of my favorite skincare line, Snow Fox, basically. So I've been using this for the past month and so, a little bit more than a month, and so far I love it, so I had to review them. So if you check my channel, I rarely review a skincare line because I'm really picky with what I put on my skin because of my rosacea. So for the past 3 years, actually 4 years, I've been suffering with rosacea. It's an inflammatory condition, basically a skin condition. And over the years, I was able to manage it, so I was only using natural products. If you guys already watch my natural skincare videos, I have a whole playlist, you can check it out. So the main method that I use to cleanse my skin is the oil cleansing method, and that's really the only way that I was able to cure kind of my skin. And over the years, I was struggling to find a cleanser that would not irritate my skin because my skin is highly sensitive. But this company, the reason why I wanted to review them is because the founder of the company also suffers from rosacea. So I was really curious to check them out and see how their products work. And if you also have a sensitive skin or you also have rosacea, you know that one big problem that we have is finding a good cleanser. And I am so happy that I was able to try their cleanser. Oh my god, it is cooling. It's a cooling foam cleanser, and it does the job without stripping away all the natural oils of your skin. And that's why I love the cleanser. I've been trying this line now for about 2 months, and my favorite daily step now is to cleanse my skin. The oil cleansing is nice, but it takes a long time to oil cleanse your skin. So it's really nice to just have like a cleanser to use it real quick in the morning so that you can have a really nice skincare routine at night and do the oil cleanse. So I was able to find their cleanser on the website. Their cleanser, I think, is the #1 selling on the website. Back then when I was shopping, they did not have the full size, but they were able to send me the sample size. But I have it for a month, a little bit over a month now, and it's still good. I love it because it's really nice on your skin when you're using it. So this is it's a foaming basically cleanser, and the amazing thing is really just plant-based basically. And then my pamper video, I'm not sure if you guys watch my pamper video, but I love this mask. It's a sheet mask. And I love it because all of their products, first of all, are paraben free, they're sulfate free, they don't have minerals, they don't have alcohol, like everything is 100% natural. And this one especially, it's called the Arctic Breeze Rescue Mask, and it really feels cool on your skin when you put it on your skin. So if I read it to you guys, it says, this all-in-one cooling mask is the ultimate rescue for tired, dulled, or stressed skin. Suitable for all skin type, it hydrates, brightens, soothes temporary redness and discomfort. Made with naturally cooling organic peppermint water, aloe vera, and seaweed extract, this award-winning sheet mask is particularly good for the after sun care or after a long day at the office. As a new mom, I truly don't have the time to do my skincare routine like I used to, so I really like to find quick fix, and this one is amazing. And I like to put it in the fridge before using, and it's just, the effect is 3 times better. So this is their sheet mask. So I've been trying basically the cleanser, which is amazing. If you want to buy one of these 3 guys, buy the cleanser. and just try the cleanser. The prices are affordable. The cleanser is clean. Well, yeah, the cleanser is clean, but the cleanser does not irritate your skin and it does not dry out your skin. And that's one big problem I had with cleanser, is they were just like strip away all the natural oils of your skin, and you need oils to balance your skin pH, and this one does the job. So this is my favorite. If you need to buy one of all of those three, buy the cleanser. Finally, this one is I wanted to get their moisturizer, but I really wanted to try this serum. So after giving birth, my face and my skin were just not matching, so I really needed something to bring back the brightness in my skin. So this really helped. It's potent and it's pure. So I also like it because whenever you put it on your skin, it just go in your skin. You barely feel that you have something on your face. That's amazing, because I've seen some serums that are pretty heavy, oily texture, and those ones, even though they do a good job, I like to just put it on my face at night. But this one, you can actually put it under your makeup, and I'm wearing it right now, and it does not crease, it does not do any, it does not damage your makeup basically. The other thing that I like about their product is it's free of preservative and harsh chemicals, so it's suitable for all skin type. If you have rosacea, if you have acne prone skin, if you have a dry dull skin, this line is perfect for you guys. So that's why I really wanted to review them. So yeah guys, if you want to check them out, I'll put their link in the description box below. There's also a discount code that I'm going to put on the screen here. You can check them out. Again, if you want to check something, really check the cleanser first, or you might as well just get all of them three. And the mask is just amazing, guys. It really fix your face. Your face can be dry, dull, or red. After using one sheet, your skin will feel so much more hydrated and more plump. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. If you guys want me to review more skincare line for rosacea, for sensitive skin, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a like, and of course subscribe and join the family. See you next week, guys.